How to change the default terminal in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch which terminal app opens by default when you launch a command line tool. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced. From there, click on For Developers on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down until you see the Terminal section. From here, click the drop-down next to it and you'll see the available options. Windows Console Host and Windows Terminal are the main ones. Following this, select whichever one you want to set as your default. Windows Terminal is the modern option with tabs, multiple profiles, and better customization, while Windows Console Host is the classic command prompt style window. Finally, the change applies straight away, so the next time you open Command Prompt, PowerShell, or any other command line tool, it will launch inside your chosen terminal. That's how you change the default terminal in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.